Okay, so your wand has come out of your Dyson vacuum cleaner. All you have is this. Your wife says, "Hey, my vacuum cleaner's broke." You're going to have this piece. Is going to be found right there after you take the U-trap off. And you'll be able to retrieve that black part from the bottom of the hose. So my plan is to reinsert the tube, get the black holder here reinserted in the tube, and then tighten the latches here with a hammer and screwdriver. Just tap them in so that it gets a good tight grip on the indentions here in the holder so it doesn't come loose again. Good luck with your repair.